Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the Rove R2-4K dash cam. Built-in Wi-Fi with GPS, car dashboard. It says it's a 4K, but it actually shoots 2560 by 1440p. You can see right here, 4.5 out of 5 ratings, 20,655 ratings. It's a good deal. It looks great. The sound's good. It's real easy to use, and it does Google Maps GPS tracking for you. I'll have some examples coming up in just a moment. Hang on. You can see I picked this up August 8th of 2021 for $119. You can't beat it. It's got all kinds of goodies on here. The interface on the front of it, so easy to set up. It has a capacitor built into it, which makes it great for hot or cold climates. It doesn't overheat like some do. You can use your phone right here, or you can use the built-in player that you can download and put on your PC. Either way, it's up to you. G sensor, motion detection, parking monitor. It comes with the regular kit to plug it into the cigarette lighter, or you can do like I did and pick up for 30 bucks on October 9th of 2021 the ultimate hardwire kit. This lowers the voltage and you can hardwire it directly to your battery. So much easier, so much faster. It was a great deal. I decided to go that route. High compatibility. It can handle just about everything. 24-hour auto trigger parking modes. Let's take a look at the examples. It's coming up right now.
More than 20 minutes, my bad. They had a lot of...
Okay, here you can see in the folder marked RO for your Rove R2-4K dash cam footage. You're going to open that up. Select a file. It blocks all the videos up in little ones. Drag and drop it in your GPS player, version 1.4. Pretty quick and easy. It's got a very nice interface and set up nice. And there you go. Here's some footage right here. You can see it shows Google Maps up above. Very nice. It starts drawing a line from where the video starts. That way you can track your progress as to where you come from and where you're going. I like it. Is it 4K? No. But even for 1440p, I mean, you can see that the footage is nice. It's clear. And the price is not that bad compared to the others. I decided to hardwire it. You can see 2560 by 1440. All the video footage in this video I did not mess with. It's going to be at 1440. But yeah, I wanted to bring this to you and share it with you and see what you guys thought. Nowadays it's important to have a dash cam. It really is. You got to for coverage. And I like it. If you want to see a different one, you just drag and drop. Boom. Here's a nighttime one. And it makes it nice with Google Maps because it shows all the the businesses and stuff around you. Yeah, it's quick, it's easy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully it made you laugh or saved you some money. If it did, hit that subscribe button down there, the red one. Make sure to leave a big like on the video too if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, click right there. I'll see you in the next video.